One cut, baby. That's what you want. Shit, dude. This side's gonna fall off when I cut it. And I might need you to like reach down and just grab it real fast for me. It's super light. Okay. But ready?
Yep.
Also, look, this fucking thing's on the side.
Oh fuck.
How's that gonna be if I...
Oh, that's gonna be kind of janky. Well, if you work on it from the side that I'm on,
Yeah.
you might get it to work. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, because I don't like the angle.
I think I can't get
It's not gonna work that way now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so get back on this side, because then you can still...
There we go. Oh shit. Well, I tried my best. Came out pretty good, I think.
Yeah, looks like it.
I wonder how square they are. That side's it's a bit different. I don't know if you can tell right off the bat. If we see an angle between these. Oh, that's actually pretty fucking close. Yeah, no, I'm happy with how that came out. Cool. Is it on video mode?
Yep.
Cool. You good?
Okay.
So, we just lined this masking tape up with the cut that I'm going to be making, and basically this outside bar right here is 9.5 inches outside to outside, so we need to make sure that our outside on these two pipes is outside to outside 9.5. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and hopefully we get it right. If not, oh well. It's another hour of work.
Yeah.
And more money. No, not more money, but... Alright. I like this because I can brace my arm on here. When you're doing this kind of shit, you gotta be really comfortable.
Right.
That's... How's this gonna look? Got on my nose. No, I'm tightening it. Okay. Okay. Hey, that looks pretty good. I can work with that. Now it's just a question of do we get our seat fitment right? So go ahead and put that on there. Oh, let's take this off. Okay. Yeah. Shit. That looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Outside to outside. Oh, okay, I see one issue that I'm... Okay, that's square. The seat's square there. What do you think, Lucas? I can start throwing tack welds to just hold it in place to kind of position it around. Because one thing is that you can see it's not perfect yet.
Right.
Because of this edge right here.
Yeah.
That edge is interfering, I think, a bit. So I might have to grind that. I think I might have to take it down a tiny bit.
Yeah.
This I can totally work with. That gap is about 1/16 of an inch. And that's not bad. That actually looks pretty nice. But this gap has a weird little profile to it, so
Yeah, it's like this little edge part right there, right?
this edge on the bottom, I think, is what's interfering. Do you see the edge on the bottom?
Let's see. Not really, no, it's hard.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna take that down real fast. Because it wasn't a square cut like how I intended. Let's see. Okay, so now the bottoms are touching. That doesn't look half bad. And I think I can fill that gap with my weld. Here, get a shot from here for the thumbnail. No,
Like that?
no, like
Or just the whole
from
thing?
like this angle, like standing here from the rear of the bike. Yeah, there you go. Yes.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome.